Good morning everyone, I'm Young and today I'm testing our Rode Wireless Go microphone. So on the website it says it's 2.4 gigahertz transmission, can work up to 70 meters distance. This is really optimized to use at the shorter range distance, but I wanted to try on the 70-meter distance. You know, watch out all the companies because I'm gonna suss you out. Okay, so this is the distance test. Let's test out whether this transmitter and this camera could actually catch the sound. I'm gonna go all the way to the end of this path, which is about 110 meters. So let's go. So that's my camera over there. And there are some police vans because there's some demonstration going on today. But I'm seriously worried if policemen thinks I'm a dodgy person filming something dodgy. So already the I don't know whether they looked like good people. But the thing is, there are a lot of, all these buildings are actually government demonstration going on today. So cars, so many police vans and cars are everywhere. And I think we've reached about 100 meters already. Now I'm a little bit scared. If there's anyone bad and carries my camera away, I'm gonna catch you. This is the whole point of me wearing the Jamaican edition shirt. Let me run back. And especially police might think I'm a dangerous person. See? That's police car. Oh, sorry. Okay. So now I've come back and the camera is safe. So if you don't already have a microphone for like outdoor vlogging, whatever, then this can be something that you can seriously consider. And it's so tiny. I mean, I've shown you guys sort of out on the t-shirt and stuff, but from now on, I think I'll just use it a bit more discreetly. When I'm outdoor, you guys will hear voices from this tiny microphone. If you guys enjoyed the real life test of different tech gadgets and so on, then don't forget to subscribe and like this video. See you!